Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on to question 5.8 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1, and this question deals with measurement and calculating how many seeds we can plant in a field that stretches 5 meters in length. So the question says, a farmer needs to calculate how many seeds he needs to plant in a small field. The seeds need to be planted in rows 15 centimeters apart, and these rows need to be 30 centimeters from each other. If the field is 5 meters long and the first seed is planted against the edge of the 5 meter, determine how many seeds will fit in a row. So just to visualize this, we'll have a row that extends up from one side of the field to the other, and this will be at the edge, and this row is going to be a total of 5 meters. So for 5.8, we need to first calculate how many centimeters this row needs to be. So the row length is going to equal 5 meters multiplied by 10 to get it into centimeters, because remember there's not 10, by 100 to get it into centimeters, because there are 100 centimeters in a meter. So this is going to equal 500 centimeters. So this length is going to be 500 centimeters, and they plant the first seed on the edge, okay, and then the next seed needs to be 15 centimeters away. So we need to find out how many of these seeds can fit in the field. So notice though that there are always going to be one more seed than the amount of gaps, because the first seed is on the edge. So for example, if there are 4 seeds, it means that there are gaps of 15 centimeters. There are 3 of them in between. So there'll be 1, 2, and 3. So that's just to visualize it. So if we can do some calculations here, we need to find out how many seeds with a gap of 15 centimeters can fit. So therefore, in 500 centimeters, we need to find out how many 15 centimeter gaps we can fit. So we divide that by 15 centimeters, and this equals 33,33, okay? And we need to round this down because we can't go over the edge at the other side. So this is going to be 33. But as I said, if there are 33 spaces that can fit, we need to plus 1, because there's going to be 1 on the edge. Because remember I said if there's 4, there's going to be 3 gaps. So we need to say, therefore, total seeds is equal to 33 plus the 1 that's on the edge. So it's a bit of a quick trick question. So this is going to equal 34 seeds. And that is your final answer. Before I go, I'd just like to say a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.